Inner Manipur MP Agomcha Bimol Akoijom on Saturday raised concerns over the proposed census exercise and its implications on delimitation, stating that the issue had already been flagged in Parliament. Speaking to reporters on the sidelines of a press conference at Congress Bhavan, Bimol said the prevailing situation in Manipur, particularly the large-scale displacement caused by ethnic violence, poses serious challenges to conducting a fair and accurate census. He cautioned that discrepancies in census data could directly impact the delimitation process, potentially triggering controversy over representation in the state. The MP said that he recently raised a matter in Parliament highlighting the ground realities in Manipur and calling for a cautious and transparent approach. Commenting on the centre's response to the ongoing crisis in the Gulf region and its impact on fuel availability, Bimol criticized the Prime Minister, alleging neglect of pressing issues.
Recently, you raised this issue about census to the Parliament.
Yeah.
What exactly was the issue that you raised in the Parliament?
You know, it's all that we have said already. Our President has already said that, there are issues in census. We already know in 2001, on the false, census data, you can't have delimitation process. And that's our major concern, so census should be done. But most importantly, in my letter, if you read, I said in order to do all the things that you are talking about, census, delimitation, NRC, you need to enforce law and order, otherwise you will not be able to conduct any damn thing. You want to conduct NRC in this ambience with these armed groups running amok in remote areas, you need to rein in this violence first. That's what my point number 4, people tend to forget.
Sir, just one question about international issues, sir. As you know, crises are going on in Gulf state, and because of that effect, there is a shortage of gas and other oil-related issues. So, but while on the other hand, Prime Minister is busy with election campaigning, and they are not even addressing the issue. Any comment on that?
That is their part of their character. We are suffering for 2.5 years or 3.5 years here. He doesn't bother anything. He is bothered about his own image, and he is moving around for that only.
Thank you.